Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error saying could not automatically detect this network proxy settings in Windows 11. So first you will need to go to your settings and here go to network and internet. You will see this option, proxy, or you can just click on start and type proxy settings. It will take you to this same page. So here under manual proxy setup, you will need to make sure that is turned off. So if you have set up a proxy IP address earlier, then you need to erase that and turn this off and click on save. So after this, you will need to go to your start and type CMD. You will need to run this as administrator. Click on yes and you will see this in your screen. So type this command in your screen and press enter. So it will show you that WinSock has been reset, and it will tell you to restart your computer. In order to complete the reset, just restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.